Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have a camera focus issue on your iPhone and iPad after or before iOS update, then you are at the right place to get rid of this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first solution is we have to restart your iPhone. Now tap device, tap more and tap restart. Now tap restart to confirm. After restart, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then go to the second solution, launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Also check under general the iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. After doing these steps, force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model, and also clean your iPhone camera lens. After that, the next solution is we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Now check one more thing. Go back to general, tap on VPN and device management and check the list is there is any beta profile that you have on your iPhone. Then remove the beta profile from your iPhone and go back to the stable version of iOS. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.